Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Go ahead and take a seat and kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because these girls are hungry. We ain't gonna do nothing but jump right in. Today, y'all, we have some boneless chicken wings from Popeyes, and today's gonna be our first time trying it in the nacho cheese sauce, and we also have some fire sauce over here. So yeah, go ahead, y'all, whatever you want. I'm trying the cheese first. I might try it by myself. Get your elbow down.
It smells like the bread.
It's spicy, but no.
Oh, it's spicy.
I don't taste it. Oh, now I taste it.
Okay, y'all, this is my first time eating this chicken with cheese.
It been real good.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I don't like it.
It kind of tastes like the Parmesan one.
I think it makes it too salty. I'm not a big fan. Well, I am. I do like salt. I like salt better than I like sugar.
That's good.
What is
Sort of. The
Fire
hot
sauce?
sauce. Yeah, fire sauce.
Oh.
Y'all, this video was so hard to set up. We went all around our house trying to figure out what's the best angle and the best lighting for this video. This girl done fall out her seat. But she's my clumsy child anyway. She's so clumsy, she falls up the stairs.
With a plate and then one piece of broccoli falls off the plate.
I remember that too.
Woo! Woo! That's spicy.
It is spicy. I was like,
wow. I'm dipping the spice into the cheese.
Can I do that?
Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Shimani.
What?
Wow. Show
Are
the people.
you excited for school?
Not really.
For what?
School.
Skull.
School.
Oh. Can you pass me the drink?
I'm excited but scared for the grade.
For the what?
For the grade
Oh.
that I'm in.
Woo! That feels good going down my body.
I really
Sorry,
do.
I'm reaching over everybody. It's okay, y'all. It's kind of hard to, you know, have 3 set up. Let's bring the fire sauce closer.
Ooh, that's hot. I lost my piece of chicken.
Y'all, we have both the regular sauce and the 2 times spicy sauce. But today we're just using the regular sauce.
Okay.
Like it goes tall, medium, short.
I'm actually taller than her.
This is actually the order it's in for real.
You know, I'm the tallest one out of everyone.
So today we have Samani, the S of BAMS, and Marley, the M of BAMS, and Antoinette, the A of BAMS. Brooklyn is at Grandma's house.
Grandma's house.
And she chilling, you know. She gets on mama nerves, and mama gets on her nerves. Sometimes she needs a break. So we come to you because we want to take advantage of this free time and dip our cheese. Dip our chicken into our cheese.
I think that was Marley's missing piece.
What?
The chicken that you said you lost?
Yeah, I lost my chicken.
Mom had it.
I did. Anyway, y'all, it's almost time for school again. Oh,
We have nothing prepared.
oh Lord.
Censor. I'm going into 5th grade.
I'm going into 9th grade.
I'm going crazy.
So high school, 9th grade, and middle school are the main grades that you should be really excited about.
Y'all, look at my hair. My hair is up in a bun, and then it's wrapped
With a sock.
in a sock. She made me this little hair tie, and I decided I'm going to wear it for good luck for my interview.
Okay.
And guess what? Mama got the job. Hey, Mama got the job. Hey, get it, girls. Get it, girls. Oh, no? Okay. Yeah, so I do have a new job, which make me want to mention that you guys got me for like a whole 2 weeks before I'm start, being a little MIA. I'm going to try my hardest to keep my consistency up. But if not, it's because I'm working to keep a roof over my children's head now.
Ew, there's a piece of chicken.
Get your finger out the cheese.
Ow!
Eat that chicken, girl, before I feed you broccoli. I'm hot.
I'm cold.
You cold.
I'm cold. I'm tired.
Anyways, comment down below if you have ever. What? No. Tell them what to comment down below.
Comment down below if you ever tried the boneless chicken
The boneless chicken wings.
with yeah, and with the freaking nacho cheese thing. And have you ever tried freaking hot sauce with freaking cheese?
Y'all want some Tabasco or something?
No. I'm telling you this again.
Your tongue's going numb?
Huh?
Your tongue's going numb? Marley! Stop sticking your finger in the cheese. Have y'all seen our Cheeto sandwich, our KFC Cheeto sandwich video?
Yeah, which I wanted to try.
Sorry.
Wow.
But she was
You
sucking,
said you didn't like KFC.
she was sucking on the cheese wrapper. This is my cheesy girl.
You are.
This is my clumsy, cheesy, goofy, girly girl.
I'm not all girly girl, first of all.
But you wear makeup.
Yeah, I wear makeup and dresses, but I still like sports, fighting.
Yep.
So I don't really know what am I.
All y'all out there better watch out because all my kids are one-hit quitters, you know what I'm saying?
What did you use this knife for?
Stop.
Nothing. But just use the chicken to dip the cheese in, please. Thank you.
Right.
This is not a lick a knife show. Are you full?
No, I want the cheese.
Yes, I'm full.
Oh, Samani, you full?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So y'all just sit and conversate. Quit eating. Y'all sit and conversate because Mama ain't full. Mama still want to eat. Let me eat. I'm about
Is
to.
this our dinner?
Girl, do you know what time it is?
No, I don't. It's probably like 2-ish. It's 2:06.
We have dinner at 2?
No, we have dinner at 7:06.
I think I'm full because I drank a lot of the water.
Marley, stop, you crazy. Remember that one video we did? We did the Flaming Hot Cheeto video. And me and Samani Stay still. See how long you stay still.
Pause.
Ah!
She's the only one that shook.
Okay, y'all. We couldn't eat all that. Believe it or not, that was a 20-piece. That was a 20-piece boneless wings, y'all. Somebody, she loved her some chicken. This is my chicken wang, and I really thought she was gonna kill that thing, but she didn't even do her thing.
I ate a lot of it.
Now we stuck with some chicken wings.
Calabunga.
Y'all, what we doing today?
Calabunga.
What we're doing today?
Y'all want to say something to the people out there? Tell them thank you for showing the love.
Hold on.
Hold up. Hold
Are
up.
we done?
Hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Get it.
Get it.
Somebody.
Get it.
Yeah.
Somebody. No, I didn't do it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You're so silly.
Catch.
Oh yeah.
Mommy, catch.
Is that how you do it?
No.
There you go.
Y'all, it's time to go.
I can't see up the
Okay.
eyes.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Wait, first we need to say thank you. God dang it.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button and don't forget to hit the like button.
And
Don't-
don't forget to comment down below if you ever tried the boneless wings.
Until next time, guys.
Here's the
Bye.
Here's the tea. Bye.